Welcome today for the Vivo Y35 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings app and now we should tap to network and internet. Just to activate the Wi-Fi we should click here once on the switcher. And after that we can see here all of the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, we should click on this checkbox. For example, to have some mistakes, I'll enter it out of screen. So now we should tap to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device connected to this network. So it's connected now. If you want to see all of the saved networks on your device, you tap on this section, and this is our networks, so you can change between them. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, we should click on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can activate the Wi-Fi. We should first open notification panel shortcuts. Here on the left upper corner, we'll see Wi-Fi icon. Click on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi. To turn it off, we should click here once again. If you want to launch Wi-Fi settings from here, you just should hold for a while this icon. And now here we can select the network, enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.